Alright, this video is going to be showing you a way that I like to do for simplifying fractions. The reason we simplify fraction is to make them easier to read or easier to work with. I'm going to start with a sample problem, 6/18. An easy way to tell that a number needs to be simplified is if both numbers are even, it definitely needs to be simplified. Okay, so the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to write the factors of both 6 and 18. So the factors of both my numerator and my denominator. So my factors of 6 are 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. I could write 3 times 2 or 6 times 1, but all I'm looking for are these values here. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing for 18. My factors of 18 are 1 times 18, 2 times 9, and 3 times 6. Okay, like I said, I could do the opposite of each one of these, but all I'm really looking for are the values. Now, I'm going to look for the greatest common factor of each of these, so I'm looking for the biggest value on both lists, and that is 6. I see 6 on both lists, and it's the biggest one. Yes, there are big or common factors on both lists, 2, 3, 1, but I'm not really looking for that one. I'm looking for the greatest one. Now, I'm going to take the greatest common factor and divide the numerator and the denominator by each. Okay, so now I'm going to do 6 divide by 6. The easiest way that I find to do this is to work with my fact families. 6 divided by 6, so 6, 6, 1. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Now, 18 divided by 6 is 3, and another way to look at that is 18, 6, 3. 1/3 is my simplified version of 6/18. 6/18 and 1/3 are both equivalent. Okay, so let's try another. We're going to go a little bit faster with this second problem. I'm going to do 12 out of 21, or 12 divided by 21. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is find the greatest common factor of each one. 12, I have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Okay, 21, I have 1 times 21 and 3 times 7. Okay, so here are my factors. I'm going to look for the greatest one that is on both lists, and that is 3. So I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 3. Okay, again, the way that I like to do it is I like to look at the other side of the fact family. So 12, 3, 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 21, 3, 7. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And my simplified version of 12 divided by 21 is 4/7. These two fractions are equivalent. 4/7 is just the simplified version. Okay. I'm going to give you 2 problems to solve on your own. Okay. Go ahead and pause the video while you work in your notebook or on your own whiteboard to solve these problems. So pause the video. When you have it solved, go ahead and resume the video. All right. So now that you've done all the hard work, the answers or the solutions to these problems are 3/5 and 1/2. Go ahead and check your work. If you have any issues, go see the teacher or rewatch the video. Thank you.